there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DalePaulSlots. We'll be playing a little bit of Lightning Link today. Magic Pearl. We've been playing Lightning Links pretty much all week. And we're going to see if we can get... I'm going to attack this one a little bit different than I normally do. Because the major's at $966, I'm going to go right to 10 cents. And we're going to go a little bit change up on denomination. So we're going to start at 250. Not very loud machines at all. There, one more, and that would have been great. Need 3 of those dolphins. Will take you into free rounds, or 6 of the pearls. The machines are one more, very, very quiet. They must have cranked them way down. Ooh, okay, there's 4. Come on, one more. One more. Boy, it's so hard. It's trying. And we will change around a little bit on the denomination to see what it likes. But I wanted to try this first. Let's get a couple $5 in there. Sticky buttons again. Oh boy. Some nice numbers. Okay. Let's go to 5 cents. 3.75. Let's see what that brings us. It sounds good. Ding, ding, ding. 2 more. Come on. Okay. Not cooperating here. Let's go to 2 cents. And we'll go to a $3 bet. Okay, turtles. We are at the Bay Mills Casino and Resort. Oh, dang. Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful Brimley, Michigan. Boy, she is being stubborn. Sounds like the machines are restless. Let's go down 2 cents. Wow. Okay, let's shake things up a little bit here. Okay. One more spin. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't seem like Magic Pearl wants to do anything, so we're going to move next door to high stakes. One moment, please. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. A little technical difficulties there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Beautiful. $406. That brings me up. Okay. Is this the hot spot for a hot slot? I keep getting comments. I know there's no such thing as a hot slot, but you know something? You kind of wonder every once in a while. Okay, 406.25. We do it again. Okay, little bit. You need 3 of the suitcases to take you in. Oh, there, boy. Oh, we were there, and that's some nice numbers, too. And they're the one that didn't show up. Is always late. Few nines. Come on. I know you're not a one-hit wonder here. Come on. Oh, almost. You can probably hear Moolah in the back. Which is okay, I guess, because it drowns out the music. So I don't have to worry about getting copyrighted. Come on, need 3 of those suitcases. Okay, we're going to change up denomination a little bit. Let's go 10 cents. You know, we did it really good there. We're just, wow, these numbers. I'm not slapping them, ladies and gentlemen. They're just really sticky for some reason. Come on. Oh, coin blockers. That would have been so awesome if we got some premium symbols in there. Come on, 3 more. Boy, they're really showing up though. But they have to have 6 of them. One more. Quite the tease. At least we're making up for what Magic Pearl didn't do. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, don't be afraid to move machines. And we get one more. 10 cents, great combination. There we go. Okay. We're going to play this down to 900 or the next free spins or bonus. But we're going to take it to 2 cents at $3. Last spin. Yep. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. High stakes definitely made it up for Magic Pearl. There's no question about it. We're way ahead now. So thank you for stopping by. See that little cowboy right there? Hit on that cowboy and hit subscribe. That helps my channel out a lot. Doesn't cost you anything. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and may your slot be high.